Alright, so NIO stock, we've been staying above $40, which is great. I know we had some drops recently into the 30s, but overall, we got some great news. I love reporting this kind of info to people because NIO just got an upgrade, which is tells me there's a potential I can make a ton of money, and hopefully you make some money if it ever does hit this price. So NIO stock just got a $70 price target from Deutsche Bank. So an analyst from Deutsche Bank, Edison Yu, upped his target from $60 to 70 and remains a buy rating. So that's just awesome. I love when analysts increase their price target. It's just a good sign because they're smart. They've got teams of people doing this, and they've been doing this for years, and it's typically a good sign overall. You always want to see an increase, you don't want to see a decrease. And they're expecting the sequential monthly sales to improve back to 10,000. They're a little bit down, so for the fourth quarter outlook, you is expecting management to guide volume around 24,000 to 25,000, hurt by the downturn in October, which has had constrained monthly deliveries to just 3,667. So the chip shortage has hurt NIO. It has hurt all car companies, but it looks like they're expecting big things coming. I'm sure China is just ramping up their chip production for themselves, not anyone else. And yeah, I've got faith in NIO, and I think this is great. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.